While implementing Kaizens, there is a dilemma which everybody faces. Should I start immediately or should I wait for more data and more analysis? This is a classic dilemma which many people face in the industry, and today we are going to find out an answer for this. Come, let's get started. Hi there, this is Anand, your trusted lean manufacturing implementation partner, and in this video we will find out an answer for should I wait or should I start the Kaizen immediately. Many of us face this particular issue. So there are three things which we generally wait for. One is to collect more data, to wait for the right time, and then we'll wait for the right situation, best situation to implement. So these three are the excuses we tell to ourselves before we start any work, any Kaizen. But in reality, these three things are not existing, right? They are all in your minds only, right? If we want to start immediately, we can start. Most of the decisions in our day-to-day life, they're all very simple decisions which do not have any long-term consequences. 80% of the activities are like that. For example, what restaurant should I go and eat? The company has given, the employee has given a suggestion. Can we try that? It may be a very simple suggestion. We can try and fail. Right? If things doesn't work out, you can always go back to the previous situation. So those are all small things which can be reversible, right? 80% of the things can be reversible in our day-to-day life, but we spend more and more time thinking about these activities. But then there are some activities which are non-reversible or very difficult to reverse. For example, what industry should I work? What city should I live? Whom should I marry? Those kind of big decisions, people actually don't think or they don't analyze, they just immediately jump to some conclusions. Actually, it should be the other way, right? These 20% of the decisions which are long-term and strategic, these activities require a lot of thinking, right? But generally I see people, they take very immature or fast decisions in these areas. For example, there are some people who just, when there is a new apartment coming up, they want to buy some houses, they just go and buy some apartments somewhere very long from the city, right, at a very high price, thinking that that's a great deal. They don't analyze a lot of other things, right? After that they feel very bad that they bought this decision. So for long term things we need to take more time, yes, it is accepted. But for short term or reversible activities, things which are day-to-day activities can be done immediately. We don't have to wait for a long time. But in organizations, most of the Kaizens, right, when people give their suggestions as Kaizens, they're all short-term, immediate implementable ideas. We don't have to sit and decide on we don't have to sit and decide for more data, the right time, the best situation to implement, etc. We can actually try and see. And when we try, we will learn a lot. We can fine-tune the solution and we can actually get a good solution, permanent solution. But when we wait for the perfect time, perfect data, most of the time we don't get that particular perfect time and data to start that activity. This is what we are seeing in most cases. So in Lean we also say imperfect progress is better than postponed perfection. That is, if I start something small today, gradually I can build on top of that and get a final solution which is a good solution, maybe a permanent solution. But rather, if I wait for a good day or a good data or a best situation to implement, I may not get that data at all, or I may not reach that particular day at all. So always better to start immediately for these small issues, small Kaizens, continuous improvements, easy to start and figure out the improvements later, like fine-tune the solutions when you implement. That's what is our suggestion. Thank you very much for watching. If you are in a leadership position in any manufacturing company where your team members are giving a lot of suggestions, but you are saying, okay, wait, let us do it later, like that, this video will be useful for you. Right? Think about whether these activities are short term or long term. Can I reverse it easily, or it is an irreversible activity? Right? So based on this, you can quickly take action and start implementing. So thank you very much for watching. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified when we post a new video. You can also share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in learning more about lean manufacturing, our courses will be of great help. A lot of companies, they are using our courses to train their employees, and we have more than 1,000 people in our online courses now. And I'm giving the link in the description, so please check them out. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.